When comparing Sage Business Cloud versus Bonsai for self-employed users, you might be wondering which one is actually more suitable for your needs. While both platforms offer accounting and invoicing tools, they each bring something unique to the table, and, more importantly, each has its drawbacks. Let's dive in and break it down, but stick with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal a better alternative that could save you time and money. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Both Sage Business Cloud and Bonsai are designed to simplify the accounting process for self-employed users, but Sage Business Cloud can feel a bit more corporate. The interface is clean, but it's not as intuitive as Bonsai. For someone just starting out or who isn't a fan of steep learning curves, Bonsai might feel a bit more welcoming. It has a streamlined, user-friendly dashboard that makes invoicing and tracking time a breeze. Next thing, pricing is a big factor for freelancers. Sage Business Cloud offers a relatively affordable base plan, but things start to add up if you need more advanced features. On the other hand, Bonsai has tiered pricing plans with specific packages aimed directly at freelancers, including customizable contracts, proposals, and project tracking. However, those lower tier plans can still be limiting if you're growing fast. Sage's base pricing may feel more flexible, but keep in mind that you may need to upgrade as your needs grow. The third thing to consider is features. When it comes to handling accounting tasks, Sage Business Cloud does a solid job with invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. It's a great option if you need to keep your accounting organized and don't mind investing a bit of time into setting up the system. However, Bonsai excels with its project management features. If you need a complete client management solution, contracts, proposals, invoicing, project tracking, all in one place, Bonsai is the more comprehensive choice. Next thing, integrations. Both platforms integrate with popular software like Stripe, PayPal, and bank accounts, but Sage Business Cloud can connect to a wider range of third-party tools like CRM systems, which could be a significant benefit for those who need more advanced integration. Bonsai is more limited in this area, which might be a deal breaker for those running more complex businesses. The fifth thing I want to touch on is customer support. Both Sage Business Cloud and Bonsai offer support by chat and email, but Sage has a bit of an edge here, with 24/7 support options available for its users. Bonsai's customer service, while responsive, isn't as readily available outside regular business hours, which could be an issue if you're on a tight deadline. Finally, after trying both platforms myself, it's clear that while Sage Business Cloud and Bonsai each have their strengths, neither are perfect fits for self-employed users who want something simple yet powerful. If you're looking for something better, something that covers all the essential features without the complexity or hidden costs, there's a software out there that will suit your needs even more. It's designed for people who want straightforward tools that won't overwhelm them. If you're ready for a better alternative that will make running your business easier, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial that's only available to our viewers. Trust me, this will be worth it.